Hi guys, today we're going to talk about Aria Dual Ionic, the new hairdryer by Gamma Pew. You'll notice straight away the beautiful design, Italian design with this silver nanotechnology and this great filter at the back. The first thing you'll do when you get hold of the dryer is notice how lightweight it is. It's got ETC technology in there which compresses the air and gives us lots and lots of power, but at the same time it's extremely light. Another thing you'll notice about the dryer, which is the most important feature, is just here. It's the Ionic button. You can switch it on or off. So why would we want to do that? Well, when we wash our hair and then we sort of put a plastic comb through, we're charging the hair, so it's full of positive ions. And this sometimes makes it go a little bit static, so when you finish the dryer you get that little bit of static. So what Ionic does, it's got an ionic generator in here that charges and sends out negative ions. So when we turn the button on, we're throwing negative ions out the hairdryer. This is really good to neutralise that and actually give us a load of shine. So to test this out, we're going to do half of Sophie's hair with the Ionic on and half with it off. I've just finished Sophie's hair and I can see a difference just in the balance of the two sides. On the left side here, I had the Ionic switched off, and on the right side, it was switched on. And that's why the Ionic works so well for me.